Without Curiosity, none of this was possible.
Confirm data transmission from the antenna. All systems green here at Mission Control.
The rover successfully deployed its instruments, analyzing the bedrock before initiating the data transmission sequence back to Earth.
The rock abrasion drill carves into the basalt, collecting a pristine sample. The high-gain antenna
The rover successfully deployed its instruments, analyzing the ancient lakebed strata before preparing for its daily X-band transmission home.
All systems nominal. The drill has engaged the target.
The rover deploys its spectrometer to analyze the rock's composition, looking for signs of past water.
The Perseverance rover utilizes its onboard drill to collect a core sample, a critical step before the data is relayed back to Earth.
The rover is currently analyzing the bedrock at Persistence Valley.
The rover successfully deployed its drill, acquiring a core sample from the target rock. Data transmission to Earth is now underway.
The rover begins its analysis, searching for clues within the ancient rock. The findings are already being...
The rover analyzes the basalt rock with its spectrometer before preparing for the crucial data transmission back to Earth.
Telemetry confirms successful deployment. The initial readings are highly promising. Well done, team.
APXS contact confirmed. Data downlink proceeding as planned.
Good work, team. The data stream is live. We have confirmation on the sample. This is incredible work, everyone.
The rover successfully deployed its drill, retrieving samples vital to understanding the planet's geology. Data transmission is now underway.
All right, we have stable contact on the target rock. Initiating APXS sequence. Telemetry looks good for downlink.
The rover successfully deployed its drill, retrieving the first subsurface sample from the Jezero crater.
On its 80th Martian sol, the rover successfully deployed its drill, sending valuable subsurface data back to Earth.
Telemetry looks good. We have full penetration at Site Charlie.
Copy that. Confirming sample acquisition.
It's fully processed. We have the data.
As the rover navigates the challenging terrain, it deploys its scientific instruments, gathering crucial data.
Confirmed. The drill has engaged the primary target. Telemetry looks nominal as we downlink the data. After navigating the treacherous terrain, the rover deploys its drill. The data collected is now being transmitted back to Earth.
Mission Control confirms successful acquisition. We are proceeding with the telemetry download.
The rover successfully deployed its drill, and the initial data is now being relayed back to the JPL Center.
The drill data looks good. Prepare for the uplink sequence on the high-gain antenna. We have confirmation on the data downlink. Excellent work, team. The downlink is nominal. We have confirmation. Science data secured. Telemetry confirms successful data downlink initiated. The preliminary scans of the bedrock show promising results.
Copy that, Perseverance. We are receiving telemetry from the spectrometer. Stand by for the next sequence.
Data ingested. Confirmation on the telemetry.
Copy that. Well done, everyone.
As the rover completes its analysis of the sedimentary outcrop, the high-gain antenna locks onto Earth, sending the latest findings across the void. The sophisticated instruments deploy, beginning the drilling sequence as the high-gain antenna initiates the long transmission back to Earth. The Perseverance rover deployed its instruments, analyzing the composition of the exposed bedrock before preparing for the long transmission back to Earth.
Telemetry confirms successful core sample acquisition. The drill performed perfectly.
Utilizing its scientific tools, the rover drills deep into the Martian surface, transmitting the crucial data back home.
Telemetry confirms successful sample acquisition and data transmission is underway.
The spectrometer is now analyzing the composition of the target outcrop. We are beginning the data uplink sequence.
The rover successfully deployed its drill, extracting a core sample crucial for understanding the planet's history.
Utilizing its advanced instruments, the rover analyzes the geological data before initiating the long-awaited transmission back to the mission control.
The rover deploys its instruments, analyzing the ancient volcanic rock before transmitting the findings back to Earth. The Perseverance rover maneuvers toward the outcrop, deploying its instruments. The data
As the drill acquires a core sample, the high-gain antenna locks onto Earth, beginning the critical transfer of scientific data.
The sample data is secure. Well done, team.
The Perseverance rover utilizes its instruments on the ancient bedrock before transmitting the findings back to waiting scientists on Earth.
The rover deploys its arm, analyzing the bedrock for signs of ancient water. Data transmission to Earth is now underway.
Sol 13 has proven challenging, but the rover has reached the target. The spectrometer is active, and we are beginning to receive the first wave of data.
We have confirmation on the downlink. The drill sample data is secure.
Here we see clear water evidence in these ancient riverbeds. The erosion patterns tell a story stretching back millennia.
We're on Mars. First light confirmed.